I saw an error code of F1, E3 on my Whirlpool washer. Replaced the sensor switch. Still didn't work. Called in a technician who said it was the hose that connected to the sensor switch or the circuit board. Replaced both, still getting the same error code.
Can you guesstimate how old your Whirlpool is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
This is the model #WFW94-HEX2. I have no idea. I bought it used, it worked for 2 weeks and then this.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, if I can. As I have just spent $1 on a tech that gave me the same info.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I know of.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question. When the error code appears, how high is the water inside the tub compared to the bottom of the door glass?
No water is coming in. Which was strange to me. No, I'm okay.
Okay, well, this error F3E1 means that the washer thinks it is flooding with water. Now the pressure switch is what monitors the water level, but if you replace that and you still have a problem, your main CCU control board is just not reading the switch properly, and the CCU in the front right corner of the washer under the top panel needs to be replaced. Below is a link to the part. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
I replaced that already.
Then it came bad because there is nothing other than the pressure switch or the CCU that can cause your problem. If you replaced both, then one of them came bad. It's that simple.
When I switched it on, I would normally hear and see water coming in. That did not happen. Could there be an internal kink or clog that I should be looking for?
No. Again, the reason it's not filling up is because it thinks the tub has too much water in it already. The only possibilities are that your pressure switch is bad or the CCU is bad. I can't be any clearer.
Both are new, maybe the wiring is faulty.
Again, one of them came faulty then.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.